Izodi Stars. My name is Izodua. If you are just joining me for the first time, you are welcome. Thank you so much for my new subscribers. I'm so grateful. I really thank you for subscribing. You found me interesting for you to, subscribe. Thank you so much. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can properly put your mask on. There are different kinds of masks out there. We have the surgical mask. We have the end respirator mask. We have mask with filter, and I'm going to be showing you how to put on two type of mask: the surgical mask and the cloth mask. First of all, why should you put on your mask? You put on your mask so as to protect yourself and others. Okay, you're protecting yourself and others. That's why you need to put your mask on. Okay, now the first one I'm going to be showing you is the surgical mask. Okay, if you see the surgical mask, we have the blue, and inside we have the white outside. Okay, this one has makeup on it already. Okay, that's what I've been using at work. Okay, so the top one, I'm going to come close. The top one, you will see that it has iron. Okay, now the iron is to help the mask stay put on your nose. Okay, so, and the other one I'm going to be showing you is the cloth mask. It's fitted. The cloth mask is supposed to be fitted, and if you see, it's angled right here. Okay, the angle is mainly for the nose bridge to hold it down, to hold the mask down, so as to protect it from any irritants from outside, external any irritant. Is to protect you from anything that is going, want to come into your nose. It's going to block it. Okay, so, and inside here, this is breathable. This is 100% cotton. It's so cute. You can see the color, very cute. Inside is black. Okay, it's very breathable. It's doubled so that it can protect you, and this is very, very good. Okay, now I'm not going to be doing too much in this video because I want this video to be really short. Now, how to put the surgical mask on is very simple. I've been seeing people wear it wrongly. Many people will wear the white one outside and then put it's very wrong. The way you're supposed to put this mask on is the blue must be outside. The blue must be outside. Okay, and you put it on like this. Wear it. Open it up. Make sure it's opened up. Okay, open it up first so that you can cover your nose, your mouth, and go under the chin. Okay, and then after doing that, you pinch the iron part. You pinch it up so it can stay put and protect you from any external irritant. Okay, see, if you move your head, it's not moving anywhere. It's staying put right now. You make sure you pinch it. A lot of people just put it on and they don't pinch. They don't protect themselves. You have to pinch this so you can cover your nose, and it's gonna block anything that wants to come in here. Okay, this is one way. This is the best way to put your mask on. Make sure the blue is outside. The white is supposed to be inside. All right, now this is for the surgical mask. Okay, let's put this down. The next one I'm going to be showing you is the cloth mask, the cloth face mask. A lot of people wear it upside down. Let me try and wear it upside down and see. Okay, they wear it upside down. There's kind of space here, and then this one is here. No, it's supposed to be worn like this. This angle is made for a reason. It's made for your nose. It's supposed to be worn like this. You put it on, and now the nose, this angled part, it's on your nose. It's serving. Okay, it's serving as the iron on the surgical mask. That's the purpose for this angled part. Okay, when you have to put it on, and it's on your nose. It's covered. Okay, it's gonna block every irritant. It's more fitted than you putting it on upside down. Okay, it's more fitted. There should be no, if you put it on upside down, there's space here. There should be no space here at all. Okay, that's why we made it like this. Can you see that? Well covered up. It's still covering your chin. Okay, now this is the time I'm going to be introducing you to my collections. I have a business called Zodis Collections. I sell masks. I make the mask myself. I make the cloth mask myself with different patterns, beautiful patterns, and you know, I make it with different 100% cotton fabric. And I also make Ankara satin bonnet, African print bonnet lined up with satin, 100% satin. I also sell custom made turban with fascinator on it, and I sell mostly handmade stuff. If you want to get your mask from me, it's $5. But right now I'm doing sales, summer sales till July 12, but I'm going to be extending it to July 30, and the mask will be going for $3 during this summer sale. So get on board. Just go on my Instagram. I'm going to be leaving my name, my Instagram page, so you can go there and order from there. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned one thing or the other. And until next time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Everybody needs to know how to properly put your mask on. Okay? Please, I've been seeing so many things, so many people wearing it wrongly, and I decided to make a video about it. Thank you so much for sticking with me. If you're watching till this time, thank you so much. Until next time, I'm gonna be seeing you next time. All right. Thank you so much.